The beauty of the English countryside rivals that of almost any spot in the world. But when we say English, we tend to forget that each county has its own distinctive beauty. One of the least praised is Norfolk, and yet here we have perhaps the loveliest and certainly the most fragrant landscape of all, the lavender fields. The Lavender Harvest has become a traditionally British scene, going right back to the days of the Romans, who first brought the plant to this country to perfume the water at their communal baths. Gradually, the plant adapted itself to the new, more temperate climate and developed the distinctive fragrance that has become associated with English lavender. Today, extensive research has produced various hybrid lavenders which differ in habit, scent and color, ranging from delicate blue to deep purple. Lavender girls are part of our tradition, and yet these days we seldom see lavender being sold. Most of it is used in the manufacture of perfume and toilet accessories, and the first stage is the distillation of the pure lavender oil. These stills each hold approximately 1/4 of a ton of the bloom, from which can be obtained 30 to 40 ounces of pure oil, which is used as the base for perfume. The distilling process is quite simple. Very briefly, when the lid has been closed down, steam is introduced under pressure to permeate the bloom and carry off the oil in the form of vapor. A condenser then reduces both the steam and oil vapor back into liquid form, and finally the water and oil are separated and the oil drawn off. In the Middle Ages, lavender was not only used as a perfume, but medicinally for the relief of headache, during the Great Plague as a disinfectant, and even as a protection against witches and evil spirits. Today, its powers are somewhat limited, but undoubtedly its beauty and its haunting fragrance are still incomparable.